This lesson describes how to create new project and import data files located on your computer or on the FTP site. The Giodis software allows you to create a new project with the click of the button. One of the possible ways to create a project is by press of the Giodis button, which is located at the top left corner of the main window, and then select New from the project command window. Alternatively, you can click on the Create Project icon on the quick access bar. In either case, the project command window will open. In this window you will find all basic functions required to handle your projects. Specifically, create new project, create encrypted project, open, close, save, etc. Besides, you can view a list of the most recently used projects on the right-hand side on the project command window. Click on the new icon, select the folder where you want to keep your project file and enter the project name. Type the project file name in the file name box. By default, project file names have the extension Giodis. You will see a multi-page tag appeared at the bottom of the main window. Note the fields frame and epoch on setting page. These fields are undefined at project creation time. Note, however, that a terrestrial reference frame and epoch you select will at a stage govern the process of loading necessary control data from the sector service. See the catalog tab on the project ribbon. Now, let's see how to import data into your project. The fastest way to load data is to import an entire folder. Click the Load Folder icon at the project ribbon. You will note 3 additional pages: occupation, occupations graph, and points appear on the bottom multi-page tab on pressing the Load Folder icon. The Browse for Folder dialog will prompt you to select the directory that you want to load data from. While the data input process is in progress, you can view its status. That is, you can see which files has been successfully imported and which have not. Once the data input process is complete, the created network, which may consist of one or more segments, will display in the map area. An alternative way to load data into your project is to import individual files. To select and import single data file, you use the standard file open dialog as usual. Selecting and importing files one by one may be impracticable in many cases. That's why Giodis is designed to support multiple select. In fact, you select multiple files in Giodis exactly as you do such selection in many other Windows programs. If you want to import a group of sequential files, press the Shift key and then select the topmost and bottommost files. To import the non-sequential files, press the Control key and then highlight one by one all the files you need to import. To proceed with our video lesson, let's select and import all the files residing in the given folder. Finally, press the Open button to start the file's import process. Once your files have been imported, you will see a new segment on the map. This is the second and the last segment in our demo network. To get detailed information on each of the created segments, view the pages the green arrows point to. Giodis allows to import data not only from local media, but also from remote GNSS data resources. On the Giodis ribbon, press the Global Data Service button. In a moment, you will see how to download raw, orbit, MTO and other types of data from GSAC service provider. Select the desired GSAC service provider and the service response timeout. In the next step, you will need to define your search filters. First, select the target date. This is the date that required the GNSS data was collected. Second, specify which file formats you want to download. For example, RIN-X observation files, RIN-X broadcast orbit files, precise orbit files, MTO files, etc. And third, you must specify the target geographic area. The search engine will ignore any reference stations located outside the target area. Once you have defined the search filters, press the search button to get a list of data files meeting your search conditions. You can sort files by name, size and file type. Also, you can sort files by site name. Note, you cannot unnecessary files before you start data loading. Press and hold down the Shift key when you check or on multiple check boxes in the selected column. To select /unselect the file, check /un the corresponding checkbox. Finally, press the download button to start the data download process. You can view the state of this process while the target files are downloaded and imported into the project. New points have been added to the demo network. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.